Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. Today, you will learn how to get a diamond object like this, and how to create a glass material. You can have millions of styles of this glass material by trying different settings. For example, you can decrease transmission roughness to make it more transparent. You can increase the metallic value to make it look more like a mirror. This tutorial is very easy and suitable for beginners, so let's get started. I'll start off by creating a new scene. I'll delete this Pity default cube, and we will not model the diamond or the gem. There is a built-in add-on in Blender that enables you to insert a pre-modeled diamond, but you need to enable this add-on first. Go to Edit menu, then Preferences. From this drop-down menu, choose Add Mesh. Check Add Mesh Extra Objects. Instead of using the drop-down menu, you can simply search for the name of the add-on here, and you can click the checkbox to enable the add-on. Finally, you need to click on Save Preferences. If you have the autosave option enabled, then your preferences will be saved automatically, and there will be no need to click the button. Now, you will be able to add the diamond as if you're adding a cube or any other primitive object. Press Shift+A to open this menu. Choose Mesh, then Diamond, then choose any one of the 3 diamonds. Here it is, and I'll enter the edit mode so you can see its topology. I'll do the same steps to add the second diamond. Press G then X to move it along the X-axis. As you can see, it has different topology. Let's add the third diamond. Now we have our 3 diamonds, and you shouldn't delete them because they are too expensive. You may expect that we should add the glass material, but we should do some simple steps first to prepare our scene. Click on this icon. It's called Render Properties tab. Eevee is good and fast, and you can try different samples values, and choose the most suitable one. You need to enable screen space reflections, so that Eevee calculates light reflections on our diamonds. For a better looking scene, you may need to enable bloom and ambient occlusion. There's one more important step to do. Go to the Color Management section. For the View Transform, choose Standard instead of Filmic. This will render colors as is, and there will be no filters or changes in colors. I love working in the rendered mode as long as the scene is not complex or slow, because this shows you the final result. Let's add the background by going to the World settings. Click on Color and choose Environment Texture. Don't confuse it with Image Texture, because this is a different thing, so make sure you choose Environment Texture. This pink color means that you haven't chosen an image yet to be used as background. So click Open to select an image. It's better to use a 360-degree HDR image file. Now, everything is ready, and it's time to add the glass material, so I'll make this window a little bit larger, and let's go to the shader editor. While selecting one of the diamonds, press New to add a new material. The new material is added to the selected diamond, so if you change the color in the shader editor, only the selected diamond will have the new color. To apply the material to the second diamond, you need to select it. Instead of clicking the New button, you will need to select the name of the material. Repeat the same steps for the third one so the material is applied to all of the 3 diamonds. Any change to the material will affect all of them. Let's try changing the color. I'll go back to the white color. Here's how you can make the glass shader. In real-life physics and optics, the index of refraction of a material is a number that describes how fast light travels through the material. There's no need to go to school and study physics. All you need to know that each material in this world has an index of refraction value, and you can know this value by Googling it. For example, I Googled the index of refraction of diamond, and I got this number. You type it here in Blender so the object becomes more realistic. Increase the transmission value to 1 to make it transparent. This is how it looks like so far. Diamonds are smooth, so you can decrease the roughness to a very low value. You can set it to 0. They look better now. Diamonds should analyze light like prisms, but Eevee doesn't calculate that. So we should fake it by using the noise texture. So press Shift+A and search for the noise texture and select it. We should add a texture coordinate node, but let's test the noise texture first. It adds some random colors at random positions on the object's surface, as if the white light is analyzed to some of the rainbow colors. I'll disconnect it to see the difference. As you can see, there are some random colors here. I feel like the 3 diamonds are now darker. That's because we replaced the white color in the material with the noise texture. To make it a little bit brighter, we need to add this white color to the colors of the noise texture. Oh, let's add the texture coordinate node first. Search for the Mix RGB node and insert it. One of the input colors should be connected to the noise texture node. The other color should be white to solve the issue of the diamonds being dark. Select Add instead of Mix. Connect it to the base color. You can now play with the factor value to see what works best for you. Setting the factor to 1 means maximum brightness, but the effect of the noise texture will be gone. 0 means darker diamonds with the maximum effect of noise texture. You will need to play with this value to see what works best for you. I think 0.75 is a good one. Click the Material Properties tab, scroll down. There are some settings that you can play with to make different styles of the glass material. The first thing you can try is the blend mode. I prefer Alpha Clip. You can try checking screen space refraction. And try playing with this value as well. This is a thin glass, and you can make it solid by increasing the transmission roughness. 0.2 is a good value. This looks nice. Let's go back to the previous style to play with some other settings. You can increase the roughness a little bit to be a very small value like 0.05. Then set the metallic value to 0.8, and it'll look more like a mirror. You can have more diamond shapes by adding the Solidify modifier. Decrease the thickness to get a cool-looking gem like this. I'll try adding the Solidify modifier to another diamond. Let's try the third one. This is the final style I like. If you want to download the file so you can get the material for free, I'll leave the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to get the upcoming tutorials. Good luck and have a nice day.